Way Out West says, I've seen videos where you compare insurance companies and policy designs. You mentioned Penn only goes to 80-20 and doesn't compare favorably to Guardian. What if Penn does an 87-13? I haven't seen Penn be able to do an 87-13, but Penn does compare favorably to Guardian, just not in the first year. In fact, Penn is one of my top choices when it comes to policy growth overall. Even though 80-20 is about the best I can design it, the cash value in the first year is not there, but it catches up to Guardian and MassMutual, my top choices. It catches up to them by about year 6 and then passes. And you end up with higher cash growth and higher death benefit. The only problem with Penn is the 80-20 design, and they're not very flexible. They're not as flexible as MassMutual and Guardian. Guardian provides the ultimate flexibility. MassMutual doesn't provide much flexibility, but it does provide a little bit more than Penn does. So there's a lot less clients that Penn becomes the number one choice because of how they're trying to fund it. Okay? Way Out West, you've heard sharing policy info is common practice, but you just want to make sure. Oh, is sharing policy information between agents okay in your industry? In your industry, sharing info like that is a big no-no. Oh yeah, it doesn't matter in the life insurance industry. Not at all. The customer can shop around as much as they want to. There's agents out there that do not like to do illustrations because they don't want to get shopped around. Why do you suppose that is? Me? I don't care one bit. For one thing, I can't service every client out there. I'm just one person. Right? I'm just one person. So what I see as my giving out illustrations that are designed really well, and me taking the time to show you what a proper design could look like, the best a policy could look like, you can take that and shop it around. I've got a guy that I'm working with right now. He did a Guardian application with me, but his wife was working with another agent doing Allianz. As we know, Allianz is one of my favorite companies. And so I was like, you know what? I understand you got this other agent doing Allianz for you. Let me give you an illustration that you can take and get a better design policy from that person with. And that's what we did. I designed it for him. He took it to the guy. He said, hey, can you do this? And the guy said, no, we can't do that. Allianz may display a 10-1 split, but it won't actually be that way. It'll only be a 2-1. And so he came back to me. He said, hey, this guy said this. And I was like, nah, that's a bunch of crap. That's not true at all. I don't know what he's talking about. And I showed him, I've got policies out there right now that I've sold that have that 10-1 design. So he gets to go back to that other agent and say, no, it does work this way. And that's how we'd like to have it designed. So by getting this information out there, you become a more informed consumer. You can get better policies. You can demand better designs from your agents. And if those agents learn how to design better policies, I think that helps out the whole industry. Because I kind of get tired of all the people that say, whole life is terrible, or IULs are terrible. And what they hold up as examples are these terribly designed policies that have massive fees and pay huge commissions. I don't get huge commissions for the policies that I design, and the policies work great. So, yeah, so there's that. But yeah, we share illustrations all the time. Hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time.
Now go maximize your cash flow.